Hi friends, welcome back to Freely Art for Kids. Today we draw something new and super easy playground for you. Freely Art for Kids. Be ready and let's get start draw with me. First we draw on cool hair and face from the top. Look, she looks so cool. Then we draw a beautiful dress and her arms, leg and shoes. Woo. I love the little pony spring horse. Do you enjoy riding with spring horse in playground? Mark a circle below at the horse. Now it's time to draw slide and stairs. Oh, lovely slide. Do you want to painting the slide? Painting with so many favorite colors. Pink color. Red color. It looks brighter and colorful. You did a fantastic job drawing and coloring today. Don't forget to showing your drawing family and friends.